Hello friend, this is Lexus Alex 570. This customer complaint horn is not working. When I check open the steering, pro- problem in this bolt. This is the bolt corrosion. Same this like car if horn is not working. This is the steering. This is the airbag wire. This is the horn wire, the bolt. Some technician direct change the clock spring inside the steering. But this type car, too much problem in this bolt. This is the steering bolt. You see this bolt. Inside the bolts coming junk, same junk. Open the bolt and clean. The horn is working. When I connect the tester to the ground. When I touch the tester to the bolt, horn is working. When I touch the tester here, horn is not working. Here is working. This is the common failure for the Lexus. First, before you change anything in the car, first you remove this and tight this bolt. Open and clean. When I open the bolt, you see the bolt this side. This is the clip. This side little same junk. Clean and fix. Horn is working. When I clean, then show you again. This is the emery paper. Clean with the help of the paper. One hand.
The fender, the cold pipe is leak. Too much oil.
Okay, you fix it, then I come in. I tied the bolt. When I touch, horn is working. When I touch here, horn is working. Before here is not working. This type car, Lexus, 90% this problem, 10% the parallel cable inside the steering problem. Thank you for watching.